Hello all, welcome to Studious Wanderer. In this video, we shall do an unboxing of the best mini drone now available DJI Mini 2. In the next few seconds, we shall see an overview of our latest videos using DJI Mini 2 before we start with the unboxing. Weighing around 242 grams, DJI Mini 2 is almost as light as the average smartphone. Let's dive right in. After much weight and research, we finalized the DJI Mini 2. It comes under the nano category, so it is exempt from any kind of registration and regulations. So can fly with peace of mind. The new DJI Mini 2 has kept all the core competitive features of Mavic Mini, including portability, travel friendliness, and ease of use, while at the same time significantly improving features like image transmission, flight performance, camera performance, intelligent features, and user experience. DJI Mini 2's image transmission system is particularly impressive, as it has been upgraded to OcuSync 2.0 from enhanced Wi-Fi. Its max flight speed and wind resistance have also been improved, providing more options for shooting locations and conditions. DJI Mini 2 is a compact, ultralight mini drone that is perfect for traveling as well as recording everyday life. DJI Mini 2 features 4K/30fps video, 12MP photos, a whole range of intelligent options like QuickShots and Panorama, as well as impressive wind resistance. For extra style and functionality, the DJI Mini G fits your DJI Mini 2, two-way charging hub, remote controller, and other small personal items. The 360 degrees propeller guard is highly recommended for beginners or anyone who flies indoors or near people. You will also be able to personalize DJI Mini 2 with a collection of shell stickers and colorful markers that come in the DIY Creative Kit. To explore more accessories, check out the DJI Mini 2 product page. The intuitive editor of the DJI Fly app includes a diverse set of creative templates. Flying, shooting, editing, and sharing can be done easier than ever, allowing you to create and share anywhere, anytime. We purchased DJI Mini 2 Combo. For just a small additional cost, the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo includes some must-have DJI Mini 2 accessories that will make flying easier and more enjoyable. This combo contains 2 more intelligent flight batteries, 2 spare propellers, and 12 more screws. You also get a two-way charging hub, a DJI Mini 2 propeller holder, a DJI 18W USB charger, and a DJI Mini 2 shoulder bag. Purchasing the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is significantly cheaper than purchasing the drone and these accessories separately. We shall soon come up with a follow-up video explaining in detail its capabilities, pros, and cons after extensively using it. Until then, please subscribe to our channel and do click on the bell icon, so you do not miss any of our upcoming videos.